people asking me, you know, where do I get these lights? Honestly, I got them from Amazon. They're only $75. The feature that I really like about this is you got these LEDs on the side that they light up. So, you know, when you got oncoming traffic, they're really, you know, I think that's a good feature on these lights. Who makes these lights? There are many companies are making these same lights. You know, they're different brands, but they pretty much the same lights. This one is these lights are Sunpie, something like that. Sunpie, Sunpie. I don't know how to really say that, but no, I don't like this. And this is after 30 minutes that I drove around. And you know, it goes away within time, but this is being sitting here for 30 minutes. I mean, the Jeep is sitting here for 30 on the driveway for 30 minutes. The other one, you know, it's not as bad, but it does get it, you know, especially when it rains and when it's hot. So I've been reading a lot of reviews about this Xprite. Like I say, you know, these lights are the same lights, but someone else made it. You know what? Let me put it down. Let me put it down. This company makes different lights. LED bars, fog lights, headlights, you know, all kinds of lights. Which is something I like, you know. I haven't, you know, they just plug and play. I haven't seen any bad reviews. And this is what it comes at. You know, it still has the LEDs on the sides that help you for visibility. They don't fog or anything like that. Condensation inside, that's what they call it. So let me mount this, and you know, this is very simple. I'm not gonna bother you or, you know, give you footage about how to install this. It's just 2 screws, 1 and 2, and that's it. You put it on, plug and play. They're the same lights, you know. Xprite makes them. You know, this company right here, Xprite. So I'm gonna give you footage what it looks like after I mount it, and hopefully I don't get this ugly condensation or ugly fogging inside the lens. So we'll see what happens. All right, so in the middle of the installation of this, one thing I like, it got my attention, is these lights doesn't come with that little thing. Okay, it comes with all the hardware. It comes with a metal plate and the hardware to install it into your car. To be honest, I don't know. I'm gonna do some research what that is. I have no idea. But this one, some people did it come with it. These Xprite lights, it did come with it. I don't know if that's a relay, if that's something to, so the computer doesn't get a light in the dash, because this is a LED versus halogen. Not sure what it is, but I'm gonna do some research. I just wanted to show you that, and I show you what it looks like. It's this little thing. I don't know if it's a ballast. I don't think it's a ballast, but it does come with a metal plate to mount it, and the nuts and you know, screws and the little tabs to hold it in place, so they don't, you know, they don't make any noise while you drive it. So I'm gonna give you another footage when this is done and installed.